How you doing? How you doing? We hope that you're doing okay. Remember, this is analyzing with El Dorado effects. This is not financial advice. It's only a review what we think it can happen in the market. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So as you know, guys, gold has been consolidating as we explained yesterday in our forecast. Hopefully you didn't miss our video. And remember to click like, subscribe, and also click the link below this video to subscribe to our channels. Anyways, always click the bell, receive notifications. If you stay until the end of the video, we always have some highlights or tips that we're going to give you guys so you can benefit more from the market and understand what's going on. Especially if you are new in trading, these videos are for you because knowledge is power, and that's what we're trying to do here. We analyze as simple as possible. We just show zones and key prices for you guys. Important. Let's go. So straight away we have a mid risk buy zone. 4,618 and 18 to 4,599 will be our mid risk zone as long as the price is still consolidating around here. Remember, we probably have more news. We're gonna see that in the end, the calendar, and we also gonna have to see other things that we need to see. Key buy zone will be 4,586 to 4,563 in case that we have a deeper liquidity grab, but a lot will depend and more confirmation will depend on these zones to be more valid, even if we see at least 1 hour candle closing above 4,637. At the moment, the maximum price reached by gold 4,643. That's the all-time high ever. Incredible. If you are part of this history, it's incredible. It's incredible. Key price 4,500 for different reasons. It's a psychological level that what we call in trading. Psychologically, it's a level that many traders are waiting for to probably get in there when the price drop. Sometimes it can go below the trend line, and it shows you that a lot of liquidity been taken, and then you will check confirmations and go into the trade. So possible target 4,680, 4,680, and long-term target would be 4,800. So that's what we're looking for in gold, not much. And where we going now, guys? Bitcoin lovers, here you are. You wait for this. I hope that you wait for this breakout. This was incredible. It holded the last song that we gave. It holded the songs below that. So if you enter Bitcoin and bought a Bitcoin, what will happen, guys? What we're talking about? Even if you enter from the sun, we're talking about 14,000 pips in Bitcoin buys. If you enter from the second zone, we're talking about 9,000 pips in Bitcoin. If you enter even after the breakout, we're talking about how much? We're talking about more than 4,000 pips. So this is incredible. It's been happening in Bitcoin. We keep saying it. Bitcoin is going to rise, especially now that we have a lot of instability in in the US. The dollar is weak. Bitcoin is rising. And we see that we talk about 95,000, but we see the price now going up beyond 97,000, which is amazing because the next target will be 100,000. And let's see what happens, what reaction we're going to have again when we hit the 100,000. If it will be basically drop again to give you more opportunity to buy again. And let's see what happens in Bitcoin. Anyways, congratulations to those. I'm very excited about the Bitcoin. El Dorado FX Free. Don't miss out, guys. If you're not part of El Dorado FX Free, the link is below. Join now. I'm just going to say that. Join now because you're going to be missing a lot like this signal. It hit TP1. Only the TP1 was 20 pips. If you invested £1, $1, 1 peso, wherever you are, it will be 20. 20, as simple as that. If you know, it will be 40 because that was incredible. And then again, we sent another signal and it will be another 40 again. So we're talking about 80 in a day if you invested £1 or $1, 1 peso. Incredible. You see the results on the screen. It's simple as that. El Dorado FX Free is killing it. Absolutely killing it. Let's go to the calendar. What will happen tomorrow? We have any news tomorrow? Let's have a look. Tomorrow, 15 Thursday 15, yes, we have unemployment claims. This news is a bit crazy, it's a bit dodgy. Just be careful, guys. Always check for confirmation. 1:30 p.m. UK time. Where we going now? We're going to check this news in TradingView because it's incredible what is happening and what we expect. In trading economics, it's important to understand the economy of the big nation like the US and other nations. And when we talk about Geron, so in this case, Power Geron is part of the US government and someone very important in the US government economy who makes a lot of decisions that are very important for the people who trade, especially pair that are related to the USD. So gold extend record-setting run. So it's incredible. Above 4,643, we see that it went now. But when this news was released, it was around 4,630 per ounce, standing a record incredible. So that backdrop has sustained at the moment, but the Federal Reserve will deliver 2 or 3 rate cuts this year, supporting gold as a policy of uncertainty remains elevated. So this buying remains very, very, very elevated. Having demand remain firm amid renewed concerns over the Federal Reserve independence following criminal probe linked to Chair Powell's, which is Jerome June testimony. So we're talking about here geopolitical situation, tensions around the world. The U.S. is like flying down, like it's in a lot of uncertainty at the moment. So that will bring gold to a more elevated level. So that's what we're waiting for. We recommend the same. That's why we recommend the key levels. So we recommend the song because we're expecting gold to keep going up because of this situation that the war is in right now. Also, Venezuela influenced a lot on this, and we have many other things. Anyways, this was analyzing with Dorado effects. I hope everything was clear. Just write suggestion on the videos if you need us to improve anything or to do better in anything. Let us know. We're here for you. And this was amazing. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.